it's your Lasagna chicks.
I'm Sid.
And I'm your girl Udo.
And happy holidays!
Merry Christmas. Sin loves this lasagna. She was craving this, so we decided to show you our famous Nostalgia Chick lasagna.
Alright, so turn it to medium. Turn your pot to medium. Throw in some little EVOO.
Oh, yep. Yep, we're going to throw in the EVOO. Really remember.
Yeah, I think
we
so.
throw it all in together.
Yeah. So we're throwing one diced onion. It's like a medium yellow onion. I like yellow onions. Yes. So while we're waiting on that, what we're gonna do is put one of our layers is ricotta cheese and cottage cheese. We're gonna mix it in a bowl, add an egg, throw in a little salt and pepper, throw it in the refrigerator until we layer it up. Throw that in there. We're just gonna take a fork and just mix it.
And I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. And I would say probably a teaspoon each, but I eyeball it.
A couple teaspoons. I love pepper. Okay, so I just mix this all together, and we're gonna set this in the refrigerator until we get time to layer it.
Awesome. All right, and now I'm going to add the ground beef and Italian sausage, and we're just gonna let that brown together. It's probably gonna be about 10 minutes.
Here it is. Ragu, we love it, love it, love it. Ragu, watch us, sponsor us. We use it all the time.
Yeah, it's a really good, just a good base tomato sauce, I think.
I think it's the best. So we get the tomato garlic onion one.
Right, so how we gonna season this?
All right. We got a little. So this is what we like to call our house seasoning.
Yeah.
It includes garlic powder.
Ooh. You were blind.
I went wrong side. Onion powder. Little salt. We taste as we go. Pepper. Little extra black pepper.
You got this straight. You good.
Ooh, crushed red pepper flakes.
She got these straight from Asia.
Straight from Asia. Dried the chilies outside. Crushed them up. Got them sent over here.
So good.
It's so spicy.
It's not too.
Yeah.
Just a little kick. You can add more if you want, but you know we're sharing, so we don't want everyone's mouth to be on fire.
Yeah. I did do that one time, and it was so spicy.
A little heavy on the
Yeah. I love brown sugar. No sauce without brown sugar.
Of course you do.
I love me some brown sugar.
All right, let's see what this tasting like real quick. Perfect.
Wow, that is perfect.
It really is.
That is perfect. So now time for the layering part. At the bottom, we just like to put a little of the tomato sauce. Okay, guys, we're gonna tell you what we found, and it's the best thing ever. Already oven baked lasagna. You just buy it in the box, and it tastes so good. It tastes the same. You never tell the difference, and you don't have to boil any pasta.
It literally cuts everything in half. Italian seasoning on the top.
Just for a nice little garnish, and add that little Italian taste in there. Now in the oven for 45 minutes at 375 degrees.
All right.
Now we're gonna
set it and forget it.
Break.
To see a little. Take this bad boy out.
Ooh, smells so good. Oh my gosh, I'm so ready.
Yes. So I'm gonna just scoop this up. But go for it.
So ready.
Eat. Cheers. Oops, thanks. Drop the sausage. Thanks.
It's great every time. If you don't know, now y'all know.
There's no more excuses.
Oh my
no
gosh.
excuses.
No sauté and chick, famous lasagna. Try it out. Let us know what you think.
Like and subscribe.
Follow us on all social media sites.
Already know. And join us next time on our next adventures of the
No
Sauté Chick.
Later.
Bye.